Hello dear friends, today I am drawing this bird using letter B. At first we draw the letter B, after I draw its eye using the letter O. Now I am drawing its beak using the letter V. And now draw the line and draw the number 0 and draw another line and complete this branch. Now I am draw two line and completes its feather and draw two curved line and draw some curved line and completes its tail. Our nice bird is ready. Now I am design this branch. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video.